again, and of course you know why we are in the garage. For obvious reasons, Evo problems, you know, we all go through them. Anybody's ever owned an Evo or DSM know that we break shit consistently. So on this go round, my Shep Trend seems to have lost second gear completely. Think it sheared the teeth off. Think we cracked the gear ring. So I got a hold of Shep. The box is supposed to be here in 2 days for me to send it back. They're gonna hook me up, get everything taken care of. We actually might go with different synchros this time because I am still running a synchro transmission. I know, crazy. People say, why don't you have a dog box? Donate me some dog box money. Yeah. So, gonna pull this thing out and see how we crunchitized it, Captain. Because that is exactly what happened. My second gear sounds like I got pop rocks in it. So, here we go. Bring you guys along for the ride to pull this thing out. It's gonna be a PETA as always, and might actually change these clutch discs while we're in there as well. Mine as well. I've got maybe 10 or 15 passes on them. You know, slipping a clutch on a twin disc is not the greatest of things to do, and this car has some hard miles on it, even though I've only put in 5,000 miles on it in the 2 years I've had it. But it's been literally 1,000 foot to a quarter mile at a time. Don't really drive it on the street. So here we go. Man, y'all check this out. You see, this is my drain plug for the transmission. Jeez. I think I got enough metal on here to make another plug. This is crazy. Alright, check this out. That is a gear tooth right here. So, pretty much explains that we did have a gear fail on us without even having to pull it off. These are teeth on the end of my magnetic plug. Alright, upon sticking the magnet back in, I pulled out a whole tooth from the ring gear. Look at that. That is crazy. I wasn't even sending it. It was probably from previously being sent from my last race with that Corvette. I wasn't too friendly with second gear. We had to do some catching up. But yeah, that's what we got. So, wham. All right. As far as we got, it's ready to come out. Jack's under it. We'll resume tomorrow, and she will be out of here. It is like 3:30 in the morning right now. All right, we're back. This is day 2. We only had 2 bolts to take out. Basically the T-brace of the transmission. And if anybody knows on the Evo, that bottom bolt on that brace is a PETA. Tried and tried and tried many different ways to get that thing off. I couldn't remember how I got it off the first time, but I got it off. Ended up sliding through the inside of the mount, hitting it with a ratchet wrench, and bam, got it down. So transmission is out. The crate should show up tomorrow, and it ships back out Thursday morning. So Shep would have it next week, maybe, I would per se, more than likely. So, here's what it is.
Oh, here we go. Check trans crate has showed up. Perfectly molded for my training. Getting ready to drop it in there and get her done. She's in and ready to go. Get ready to pick her up.